Barbecue butterfly chicken and corn. Butterflying a chicken makes it easier to roast on the barbecue. Here's how to do it. Place the chicken upside down and use kitchen scissors to cut along each side of the backbone to remove. Turn the chicken over and press down the breastbone to flatten. Now add a tasty marinade. Take a dish large enough to fit the chicken in. Add lime juice, coriander, ginger, sugar, honey, fish sauce, turmeric, cumin, and paprika. Stir to combine and then add the chicken and turn to coat in the marinade. Cover and place in the fridge for at least 1 hour to develop the flavours. If you'd like to get ahead, you can do this overnight. To cook the chicken, heat a covered barbecue on high. Brush the chicken with oil and season with salt and pepper. Cook the chicken on the barbecue grill for about 5 minutes each side or until golden brown. Transfer the chicken to a baking dish and roast in a covered barbecue using indirect heat for 1 hour or until the chicken is cooked through. Cover with foil and set aside for 10 minutes to rest. This makes the chicken juicy. To cook the corn, heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium. Spray the corn with oil. Cook turning occasionally for about 8 minutes or until the corn kernels are lightly charred. Combine honey, sriracha or chilli sauce, and lime juice in a small bowl. Brush the mixture evenly over the barbecued corn and keep cooking, turning as you go for another 2 minutes or until the corn is charred and tender. This zesty corn makes the perfect barbecue side. Finish off with a sprinkle of salt, coriander, and char-grilled limes. For more delicious recipes, head to our barbecue season playlist here, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.